It's the first episode of Watch Dogs. So yeah, the reason I didn't post this on the 27th, which was the day it came out, is one, because the Uplay servers are being stupid, and second, I didn't want to post it immediately because I didn't have a lot of stuff, and like it's kind of boring if you don't have like all the cool hacks and like stuff that you can do. Like if you have like a little more like play through the game, because like now I can do blackouts and jam comms and the grenades and that. I have all these guns too, so that's gonna make it even more fun. I haven't tried out this pistol yet. And I don't get this, why they would add this. Like, it's kind of stupid. It's not like you're really just gonna go up to car and unlock it. I mean, I would upgrade the other stuff, but like, I don't want to upgrade this because I like getting the cops on me and stuff, and that seems stupid. I don't really like that. But these are, I'll show you all the upgrades I have right now. I have the hacker toolkit, extra battery. I didn't get this one because, you know, I didn't think I'd really need money, but now I realize I need more money than I thought I would. But now I have 2 skill points, but I'm saving up for this, Transformers. And you can create like not like a full blackout, but it will, I don't think it does a full blackout. I think it just does like a small area. Well, I don't know. It says the resulting blackout, so maybe it will like do the whole city, but I doubt that. Saving up for that. As you can see right there, that's where I bought the blackout at. What's this? CTOS scan. So yeah. Yeah, let's steal this guy's car. I really like this car. Oh god, what was that? Copyright. Oh Jesus. Oh Father God, happening at a day and he died. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Where is it? Where did he find that before? It was gameplay. Where did he find that? Cause I was, I'm just gonna turn it off every time I get in a car. But basically there was an option to turn off all music in cars every time. Let's put up the bridge. Oh, I literally like this cool view, like right here. I don't know why they like blurred out like that front part. It's kind of weird, but I like this first-person view. They should have this in Grand Theft Auto. I mean, they have like the hood cam, but they don't have like this first-person like cool cam like this. Car accident time. I'm just gonna hide in my car. I didn't do anything. Let's do this criminal convoy. Oops. I don't know what it is. Holy crap. I'm out. Oh Jesus. Stupid songs. So let's do a criminal convoy. I've never done any. I don't know what this is, but let's see what happens when we play the mission. Oh God.
This guy crossed a line. He's gonna answer for it. He's fresh from a heist. Well, there's still time to stop him before he disappears.
Okay, so what are we supposed to be doing here? Ugh. Ain't got time for the bridge. So take down. Let's get ready. Oh my god. Holy crap. I was not expecting this. Oh my god. That was... Wow. Oh my god. I need to steal this guy's car. No, actually, no. Actually, I don't want your car. Don't get out. No. You can have your car back. You can have your car. Stupid. Let me have this car. Tee-hee. Oh no. Oh god. I barely made that. Here, they're gonna turn this way. Come on. Accelerate. Take this car. Come on, hurry up. Come on, hurry up. I need to make sure this works. Oh my. Ain't nothing happening. Come on, go. Now everyone go. Everyone pile up. Everyone pile up. Come on. Come on, shoot! Got him.
It's not looking too great. Get a few more hitters here.
Go.
Cut him off.
Oh, kill all wait, is it?
Going in for a hit.
Can I escape? No. I didn't know if it said I could escape. Hopefully it did. Go. Hit one of them, please. Oh, it didn't work. I need a roadblock. I really like those. Those help a lot. Crap. Oh, if that was a shorter fall, just parkour. But oh crap. That didn't work out. Oh, here. Yeah! Oh my god. What was that? Oh crap. Oh no. Pack up! Oh, don't run into me, you retard. Turn! What is this car doing? What? What? That's not the right way! That's not the way cars turn. Oh, you retard. Why would you get on the other side? Go! Oh my god. Move! Oh no! There's no train! Oh no. Well, all poopsie. Oh! Train! Yes, please. Go. Go, please go. Yes, go. Oh, jeez. no, I gotta get to the front of the train. Oh, this
Cut
is.
them off.
Is there anybody actually in there? Oh. Oh. Well, that's stupid. He's covering his head and operating a train. That's perfectly safe. Oh, he just went past the station. Crap, I think they're still following us.
Oh God, I don't want to die.
Yeah, you do.
Keep looking.
Oh, wait.
Where is he?
I think they lost me. Looking out the window.
No way. This is
Yeah, they lost. We lost them. No, I need to keep going. Keep going.
Where are you?
Oh, sorry about that. Parents yelling at me. To go downstairs. Just go. Come on, I don't want to be seen. Go. Just get outside the white circle. Just go.
Jackass gave us the slip.
Yes!
Clear
Ooh! Skill point. Hacking. Wait, what? Available skill points too? But I just got a skill point. Just say I got a skill point. I just... No, I said... It just gave me another one and I had two. I didn't spend it on anything though. That's bull crap. I had two already. Ah! I want to get out. Open the doors. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Alright, guys. Hold on. I'll be right back. My parents want me. Sorry about that. Well, it wasn't really a lot to you. I just ate dinner. So what are we going on to? Or what are we doing now? The thing I like about stealing bikes is no one knows you did it.
Give me the cash. All of it. You look like a generous person.
What? What happened? Oh my God. What happened? Oh, it's bull crap. Parkour. Dun 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 dun. Oh. Can I hack you? What? Oh, I gotta undo the control tower. Okay, we'll do that next. Oh wait, hold on. Q.
Thanks anyway.
Oh no! I need to figure that option out. What? Hold on, guys. We're back. I'm gonna try to find the settings. Oh, I'm a retard. I bet you guys are probably yelling at me. Audio. Duh. Freaking retard. Sometimes I think I'm just blind. Just trying to see what this Spears has, because his sounded good. He had that 90, so this should be good now. Should be as loud. So now, there should be no. Okay, guys. So this is the last thing I'm gonna do before I end this video. It's like a whole building right there. probably the only way to unlock it. Alright, first, let's... Oh, jeez. I'm gonna run out and buy something. Actually, I'll just skip this part. Well, crap. Some dude, or they just saw me on the news. This sucks. No witnesses! No witnesses!
Copy that. A high-powered patrol unit is
Crap.
after the suspect.
Oh. You know what? Please, please work. Please work. Yes. I could use a blackout, but like, you know what? I'll do it. I'll do it in a minute, guys. Oh, come on, come on. Go. And we're blacking out. Come on. Any? Oh crap, that was a waste of a freaking. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Just go. No, 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 no. Does he see me? No! No! Does it work? I didn't mean to get in the car. Oh, you buttholes. I can't throw the frag grenade. Oh my god. Thank you.
We will shoot you.
Oh god. Oh Jesus. Oh god. Oh. Oh god. Oh Jesus. No, cover there. I'm gonna end this police chase, and then I'm gonna end the video there. Come on, now blow up the car, blow up the car. Yes! Only one police officer killed. Rescue.
Gracias, amigo.
Gracias. I don't think that's a thank you. Go, 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 go. Let's first person this up. Oh, I hate how you can't look around that much in here. Unless you could like, oh, you can't, but that doesn't look like. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Raise the bridge. go, just go. Yes! Blockers, blockers. Five-star water level. If I get the, I get an achievement if I escape this. I think. Do they see me? Because they do. I'm blown. Oh wait, they see me I think. Oh, I hear them getting out of the car. No, they didn't see me. I should have just stayed there, but I was a retard. I can't open that. Why not? It's a garage. Better lead me to something good. Oh yes, thank God. This is not a dead end. Come on, move. Let me in. Oh my God. Oh, blocker.
Copy that. A high-powered patrol unit is en route to the suspect.
Yeah, they won't go, right? They won't go. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Oh, come on. Yes. 20 more seconds and we're good. If I escape the cops, I'm just gonna end it here. And we're good. Oh, wait, 3! Yeah, we ended the episode with buying our transformers. Now we can overload them to create large electric explosions resulting in blackouts. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Oh yeah, crap. Hide. So yeah, guys, well, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys like this first Watchdog gameplay / like messing around let's play. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna call this video, but you know, you'll see it and then whatever. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and rate, comment, you know, do all that stuff. Tell your friends about the channel. So yeah, guys, I will see you all in the next video.